Hey everyone, I'm super excited about product recommendation quizzes, especially for e-commerce. This is a great way to capture more first-party data and deliver super personalized experiences and suggest the right product to the person and hopefully get them to buy. You're going to see a higher increase of them buying the actual personalized product. This is actually the new wave of e-commerce that we're seeing. It's all about driving personalized experiences to your users, giving them the right products based on all the products that you offer, especially for them. So you ask a few questions and you show them the right product in your catalog right for them. And what's great about this is, one, you capture a lot of first-party data. So every click, every question that you ask, that is data that goes into your email marketing system, into your CDP, into your analytics system. And you can leverage that in your email marketing. You can leverage that on site. So that's all data you own. And every single question you ask, that's attributed to that user as well. And it's a great way to grow revenue. People are coming in, they want to get the product that they think is right for them, and then you suggest them. And so instead of giving them the entire site catalog, you ask them a few questions, you show the right specific product that's based on their needs. So they get kind of a one-click option to buy exactly what they're looking for. We offer an easy way to create fully custom quizzes. So you ask a few questions and you can suggest the right wine for them. You have the ability to upload your own fonts and colors and CSS, so it looks just like your brand. The other great thing about our platform is you can have advanced branching logic. So first of all, each question can result in different questions. So maybe there's different questions based on the answer they asked previously. And then based on that, we can actually suggest the right product. And you can have different weights as well. So maybe one question is more important than another question. And the end result can be based on all of those weights as well. We have found that quizzes that are just one click, just yes or no, two options, and just click based on showing a result, have the highest increase in completion rate. So we love that. Now, of course, we can also do input fields as well. How old are you? Or how old is your kid? You can have all sorts of data input fields that go into our algorithm as well. And it's not just for one recommendation. So we can show a variety of recommendations. Maybe this is a style quiz for your home. You can offer kind of 3 products or 6 products. It's not just one product that we can show as a recommendation. Now, of course, the recommendations can also go into your email marketing system. So not only every quiz question and what they answered is going into your email marketing or CDP system, but also the product recommendations as well are going in. Now, you can also gate this. So before you show the results, you can ask for an email address, maybe an email and a phone. You can have a multi-step form, and it can all go into your ESP. You can also have like a no thanks link. Maybe, hey, just give me the results. I'm not ready to give you my email address yet. Because the end goal is to drive revenue. It's not just about capturing the email. Now, what's great if you can get the email is that you can attribute all of their survey questions to that email address, and you get more kind of identity for them. Now, the other thing you do, you can incentivize it. So maybe you add like, hey, if you enter your email also, we'll give you a 10% off coupon. And so we have the ability to upload a list of one-time use coupon codes, and you could show the coupon code, and then you can also pass that coupon code as a merge parameter in your email marketing system. And that way you can kind of say, hey, by the way, this is expiring. This product that I recommended for you, this coupon's gonna expire, and set a little bit of urgency. The other thing that we can do is we also have things called banners that could be at the top or the bottom of the page, and you can show the recommendation. And if you are using coupon codes, you can even show that coupon code, and this banner will automatically remove itself if they made a purchase or maybe after the coupon has expired. We also allow the ability to, once we show the recommendation, you can just do a one-click add to cart button. So before they have anywhere to browse on the site, we show them recommendation, like, hey, I want to add this to my cart. We can automatically add it to their cart, and this works on Shopify, BigCommerce, Salesforce Commerce Cloud. And we can also build custom solutions as well based on your shopping cart solution. The other big part of a quiz is not only do you want people to take a quiz, not only do you want them to have a quiz, but you got to drive people to a quiz. So we have things like inline embed forms that you can put on your homepage or category pages. So hey, take the quiz. You can also have teasers that kind of float in this on the side. And what's great about these teasers is you can do conditional logic. So maybe they're idle on a category page for over 15 seconds. Then you say something like, tough to decide, take a 30-second quiz. And on click, it goes to your style quiz or opens up a pop-up where the quiz kind of exists, which is pretty fun. The coolest thing we've seen is that people are using Facebook ads, and they're dropping the quiz in the Facebook ad. So this could even be the first question. The actual ad could be like, do you want to take a style quiz, or do you need do you like this couch? Yes or no. And then when they're on your site, they've already answered their first question and they're on the second question. And so this is a great way. We're seeing a big boost in ad clicks and ad conversion rates from style quizzes as well. That's what's most exciting about this. Now, we have a full self-service platform, but we do bring on an implementation manager that'll help you kind of design it, integrate it, and get it all launched as well, which we love. That gets people up launched way faster than if we just drop into the platform. So we kind of provide that as a service. Our customers usually launch very quickly, usually within 14 business days or less, sometimes in 2 business days. We also record every click. We are marketers, we're marketing based. We want to know how they came to the site. Was it a referring URL? Was it a UTM parameter? Was it from an email? We also want to know, hey, if they left and came back 10 days later, we also want to know the attribution. Did they come back through a Google search then? So we record the first and the last click. All this data gets pushed into your Google Analytics system, and we actually have a custom report and template that we can drop in so you can get the ROI on that as well. We offer full A/B testing and multivariate testing, which is really fun. We have a lot of people that come over to us. They have a homegrown quiz that they built, but they just can't A/B test it. They see the power of it. They see a lot of results, but they can't A/B test it. They can't figure out, hey, can I try different questions, different offers, different creative? And that's where our platform really, you can clone things. You can easily A/B test things. You can also multivariate testing. Maybe the pop-up should show up. Maybe the quiz pop-up should show up as a pop-up and not as an embed form. Maybe it should show up on exit and not as a 3-second timer. So we have all sorts of different conditional logic that you can try out. The other cool thing is you can have different quizzes for different sets. So we can actually target based on URL. So based on a product that they're looking at, based on if they're coming from a Facebook article, based on if they made a purchase or not. You can have all sorts of conditional logic that shows these quizzes to different people, and you can have different quizzes for different, things. For example, maybe you have a camping site, and so for tents, you show a tent quiz. And then if they're on the sleeping bag section, you show a sleeping bag quiz. So you could have multiple quizzes for different types of people. We integrate with everything. If it's not on this list, we can do custom integrations. We do that all the time. We have a very flexible API as well, so we can push data in real time. By the numbers, we love these quizzes. We're seeing great adoption, great conversion rate, and we're really enjoying how our customers are able to drive ad conversion lift, as well as revenue as well. The average person will see a 2x increase in conversion rates with quizzes over like a static form, and sometimes up to an 80% completion rate, especially if it's all click-based. It's just yes or no questions. There's no custom fields. And then with our platform, of course, you can go beyond quizzes. We do pop-ups, embed forms, NPS surveys, how did you hear about us surveys, case study downloads, request downloads. We are a full form solution as well, so you get the power of the full platform. And we love this stuff. So come check us out.